Hi everyone, welcome back to Messy and Beautiful. I'm Sarah Jane. Thanks for joining me for another video. I just want to apologise first of all because I keep making promises about all these videos that I'm going to do and I realistically don't get time to do them. I'm jumping on at the minute doing a lot of unboxings. They are the quickest kind of video for me to do, plus when I get happy mail through the post I'm like, oh, I want to share it with everybody. So that's the reason why I get a lot of unboxings on my channel. It is going to stop to some degree. So next year I plan on doing more shop my stash content. So I'm going to start trying to use up some of the things that I have because I've just ended up with so much stuff, as you've probably seen the number of unboxings. And that's not to mention all the things that I don't show on social media. So that's the reason I'm going to change the content a little bit. Now, I will still be buying things, but it probably won't be as often as it has been, and it certainly won't be from you know, every single planner sale that goes on. I'm not going to start buying from it, but I probably will still buy from my favourite shops when they've got new releases. Haven't 100% decided yet. I'll stop rambling on. I know you listen to me talk a lot, and I just wanted to share really my thoughts with you about, you know, what I want to do with my channel. I do want to share more of the, you know, this is what I'm actually doing in my planner and with my planner than just look at some beautiful things I've bought, because I appreciate that although these are fun to watch, they don't necessarily help you use up the products that you have. So I'm going to start trying to do a little bit of that. I think with the advent calendars, it's kind of shown me how much stuff I really have. I hope you'll forgive me a little bit for the stream of consciousness, but I'm going to be doing today an unboxing from Little Thoughts store. As you know, I buy their monthly box. Again, this is something that might die down a little bit next year. I'm going to just have to see how the money goes, but I love these kits. Let's get started on this one. So as usual, you get your beautiful tissue paper with a Little Thoughts store sticker on it. These boxes are £20 as a flat rate. You can get them with the reusable sticker albums as well, so it can increase the cost a little bit depending on which size sticker album that you want, and they're the reusable type. I know that Jodie's now introduced a spiral bound where you can stick the stickers on the pages, so I don't know whether you can get those with the box or not. I don't buy the albums with it because I don't need more sticker albums at the minute. They're only something I buy as and when I need them, so I just spend the 20 quid. Oh, speaking of which, and get just the kit, just the box kit. This one's actually got one of the reusable sticker albums in it, so I said I didn't need another one, but I've ended up with another one. It's really pretty. I wasn't expecting this at all. Let's just dive in here because I was talking about these. So this is the type that Jodie has now introduced. So it's got the blank pages, it's all reusable sticker paper, so you can just put your sticker stash in there. I like these to some extent because they do reduce the number of sheets that you have. I do think they're more straightforward to use because you can categorise your stickers much easier by just, you know, leaving some space. You know, if you're going to put like all your box stickers there, you could leave like 10 pages and then do like your next checklists or something like that. Plus all the little sample sheets that you get, that's what I tend to use them for, because I've got a lot of the freebie sampler packets, particularly I think the bank holiday weekend sale when it was all the autumn stickers. I ended up with loads and loads of freebies, and I didn't know what to do with all the little samplers, so I bought a reusable sticker book from Little Thoughts store that's a small one that holds the sample size sheets, but that filled up really fast, so I ended up using one of these. I actually used the one from Wendy's Cute Creations for that. So they are a thing that are coming to the shops at the minute. I keep flicking through it, but you've seen the inside, but that's the back cover. It's really pretty. I'm definitely keeping it. Whether I need it or not is a different question. But maybe once my sticker stash starts to reduce, I'll probably need this a bit more for like leftovers, kit leftovers and that sort of thing. So in here you always get a sticker kit, and it's a full sticker kit, and usually a piece of vellum as well. So this is the vellum. This is really pretty. It's really like, I want to say minimal, but it's green, I think. It looks like it's a green check, kind of brown hues to it. That's really nice. I like that. Just plain and straightforward. I've got a stack of these. I'm going to start using them next year a bit more in my day-to-day planner. I hope to show you some flip throughs and things of what I've done this year and what I plan to do next year, but we'll just have to see how the time goes, to be honest with you. Let's start with the, you know, the more straightforward stuff. So, oh, look at that hollow. This is my sort of kit. This is beautiful. So we've got all the word stickers, and they've got the like silver hollow on there, and the rainbow on it is really, really bright when it catches the light. So it says scripts, chores, cleaning, food shop, shopping, bills, foiled quotes, self-care, health, exercise, reading, school, checklists, kids, headers, birthday, deco, work, hobby, summer, Christmas, icon, spring, autumn, winter, to do, half boxes, full boxes, planning, date stickers, character stickers, monthly stickers, glitter headers, quarter boxes, and nap stickers. That's funny. And actually, the one thing that I missed is reusable sticker book titles. So if you combine that, this is what I mean about categorising them, and you say you want to put all your box stickers on here, you can get your quarter boxes sticker and put your quarter boxes sticker at the top, and then just use however many pages you want. I think that's an incredible idea, and that is just what I need to be able to categorise my stickers. I'm really pleased with that. That goes with that one. Look, see, this is what happens when I don't pay attention to the top and I just get stuck in with all the hollow foil. It's just so pretty. I love this kit. I say I'm not buying any more. I think I'm going to be lying to you. I think I'll probably end up buying the next few. We're just going to have to see how it goes. So this kit is called Lazy Sunday. I had a bit of a lazy Sunday last weekend, and I love a lazy Sunday, and the colours of this are just absolutely beautiful. So it's like a, I want to say like periwinkle blue, and then like a lavender, and then there's a blush colour and a grey. Let's just look at the boxes because I've got those in front of you, but I just look at that. I'm not lazy, I'm on energy saving mode. Brilliant. Little cat curled up with a pillow as well. Oh, that's like my cat. Right little snuggly thing she is. She comes and she sits like this on your feet or on your lap or sprawled across you, and the minute you get up from your chair, there she is. If I moved from this position, she'd be there sitting in my seat. And it really makes me laugh, but I just love this. So you get 8 full boxes, 4 checklists, and then 4 of the, I guess, headers. I don't really know. I sort of use these for all sorts of things. I really like the check in the background of this, which also goes very well with the vellum too. This is really pretty. This, I say it every time, that this is one of my favourite kits so far. So you get your half boxes, quarter boxes, some habit trackers, header stickers. I love these. I'm using those in my sidebar for like the following week, every week. Cancelled, rescheduled, nope, not today, weekend. And then your washi strips, just look at it, it's so pretty. I just love the like wintry colours. They're kind of like pastel, and they just make me think of actually snuggly socks and being cosy at home, because when it's cold outside you obviously don't want to go anywhere or do anything, and particularly now I'm getting even worse for that. So you get washi strips, so there's some chunkier ones that you can use, so like to cover up days or whatever. I use them to put like I use them to put in between the boxes as well, like particularly the skinnier ones. You get some 1, 2, 3, 4 skinny ones, you get 2 medium sized ones, and then you get 3 of the chunkier ones. I love this one's really pretty. This kit is gorgeous. I can get 2 spreads out of one kit as well, is the other thing. I don't tend to use the whole kit on one week. Maybe sometimes I use 3/4 of it, and I end up with a little bit, but I generally have other stickers that will go with it to be able to use more than for over 2 weeks. But I can easily get 2 weeks out of these kits as well, so they are really good value. So then you get a sheet of icons as well. So you get like a little breakfast tray. Look at the little tub of macaroons there, that's so cute. Cup of coffee or tea, whatever your poison. Happy Sunday, £9.25. That is a lie-in for me as well. Like, you know, when you're getting up at 6:30, 7 o'clock every day, that is definitely a nice long lie-in. And even this, like sitting around in your dressing gown with your socks on, like, just brilliant. I think this kit is beautiful. I'm going to move all this packaging out of the way. So this is the kit. I'll just bring it back in so you can see it all together. I just love the hollow, it's just so pretty. And there's the vellum there, and then the incredible sticker book and the sticker organisation sheet as well. Let's move the box because the box is getting in the way a little bit, isn't it? So there we go. That's what you get in this month's box. Like I say, £20, really good value for what you get. A reusable sticker book and the headers that you can use over and over again. Same with the vellum, you can use it over and over again. And the stickers, you probably get 2 weeks. Some people might even get 3 out of it, depending how creative you are with washi tape and that sort of thing. But yeah, if you wanted to go and grab one, I'll leave a link to the shop in the description for you. And I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and my endless rambling. And I'm sorry about that. But thanks again for joining me. Take care. Bye.